Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to our channel I Say Kids. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Know Your Worth, a story of life. This is a very old tale, but the message that it conveys is like forever. It just kind of sticks with you. There was a wise woman named Sophia. She had a daughter named Isabella who was very kind hearted. One day, Isabella asked her mother, Mom, what is the value of my life? Sophia smiled and said, I will tell you the value of your life, but first, you need to do some tasks. Sure, Mom, what do I need to do? Asked Isabella. Sophia gave her a necklace and said, Go to the market with this necklace, and if anyone asks you its price, don't say anything, just raise two fingers. Isabella went to the market with the necklace and waited up. A man who wanted to buy a gift for his wife approached her and asked the price of the necklace. She raised up two fingers. The man said, £2, okay, I'll take it. Isabella ran home, excited. She told her mom that a man offered £2 for the necklace. If you're liking the video, please send us some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Sophia said, Now take this necklace to a jeweler uptown. The rule remains the same. Don't say anything, just raise up two fingers. The uptown jeweler asked Isabella, How much is this necklace for? Isabella raised up two fingers, as told by her mother. The jeweler said, £200. Sure, I'll buy it. Isabella went home, confused. She told her mother what just happened in the jewelry store. Her mother told her to go to one more place, the museum. Somewhat confused with what her mother was trying to convey, she got lost in her thoughts. After some time, she decided to go to the museum and find out the mystery of the necklace. The manager at the museum was ecstatic to see the necklace. She inquired Isabella about the price. As promised, Isabella raised up two fingers. £200,000? Perfectly okay with me. It's a deal then, said the manager. Isabella went back home, promising the manager to come back the next day. When she reached home, she hugged her mother tightly. She couldn't believe that the necklace was so valuable. Sophia said, Dear daughter, now do you understand? Life is all about where you place yourself. You can waste away your life undermining yourself as a £2 necklace, or you realize your worth and make every effort to shine and be of utmost value. In life, you will meet all kinds of people. Those who truly love you for who you are, and those who would make you feel little at every step of life. It would be up to you, my dear, to decide the value of your life. Thank you for watching. Hope I could inspire some people here. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you good stuff, I promise. Bye for now. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay safe, stay happy, and healthy.